Lorraine Internet of Things. Lorraine IoT develops applications that is based on System on Chips SoC. SoC means it is a microprocessor and a Wi-Fi capability in one microchip. We are a hardware-based developer, but we also focus on software for human-machine interface. We're not only doing lighting control, we also develop electrical branch circuit protection that is based on microprocessors with full mobile app programming and functionality. Currently, we're offering a home or small commercial lighting control technology that is cutting-edge in hardware. To know more about us, visit lorraineiot.com. Without further ado, let's go to the video on how to navigate the app and control the StarApple device.
Let's go ahead add another device into our app. So let's open the app, and as you can see, we have two devices that are already joined into our app. If we're going to refresh it, we have the TV area and the garage doors. We're going to add the master's bedroom. So in order to do this, you go click plus above, and then of course you're going to read all of the instructions on how to install the StarApple device, which is shown here at the bottom. This is what you're going to install. Once it's installed, you power it up, and then the device is going to boot up, and then just read these instructions in order for you to add the device. So first is you'll see a device in your Wi-Fi that starts with StarApple, and its MAC address will show up in available Wi-Fi after the device boot up. Then we'll go ahead and connect through it just like a regular Wi-Fi. And before you go back here to this app, it has to be you need to confirm that you're connected. So let's go ahead and go to our Wi-Fi settings. So currently we are connected to our home Wi-Fi, which is the StarApple. Now we need to connect to the SSID name of the device, which starts with StarApple and then underscore and then the unique MAC address of that particular device. So just tap on it, and then it's gonna make sure that there's a check mark on the connection. It would say no internet connection because there's no internet connection on the device. We only do this once. So let's go back to our app. So we're gonna type the name of the internet Wi-Fi here. So the name of your home Wi-Fi, in my case it's StarApple, and then type in your password, and then just hit return, so it will show up the location of the device here. So put the name of the device that you wanted. Usually it's a location for, in this case, let's say it's a master's bedroom. Okay, and then just hit submit. Okay, so right now the StarApple device is getting the the SSID and the password, and it should be connecting to your Wi-Fi right now. So as you can look, if you look at the LTE there, now now we have this Wi-Fi connection, which means that it transferred to your home Wi-Fi, your iPhone. It's because the StarApple device has already joined the network and it's not anymore emitting an SSID. So you just click OK and go back to the home page. So before we have only 2 TV area and garage doors. When we refresh this one, we should get the master. Yep. So when we refreshed it, so you can see we have the master's bedroom. Before we only have 2, now we have 3 now. So you click master's bedroom here, and then let's see if we can control this master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Right now it's on because we have 99% of the brightness. So let's go for 38%. So as you can see, it's starting to dim down. And let's go ahead and turn it off completely. So now we don't have light. So let's increase brightness again to, let's say, 43%. So get 43% there. Okay, let's turn it on or higher. 88%. So that's 88%. Now you can change how fast it will dim up or down by increasing the rate of change. So you see you have a description in here. So let's go to about 25% faster. So now we have full light in there. And let's go for 0%. So as you can see, the change of brightness is slower. So it's dimming slower because we're going 0%, which is off. The light is dimming right now, but very slowly, because we instructed it to go slow. And it's kept going, and now it's totally off. Let's turn on that again. We'll go 100%. And then it's slowly changing the dimming light, as you can see in there. So you have control on how fast you want to change dramatically, depending on your preferences. So we've discussed brightness, rate of change, and then we also have a glowing. Glowing means if you want to automatically turn on and off for security reasons, for other purposes. So you won't be able to press glowing unless if you're not on or off. So it's in this description right here. You have to be on a dimming position, so it's not 0 or 100. So let's press glowing. So that's gonna automatically turn on based upon how fast we wanted the rate of change. So it's turning on right now. And then after it's fully 100%, it will automatically go back to 0%, which is off, and then turn it on again. Now if you want to think what's the purpose of this one, you can have this for security purposes, just to know that there's somebody inside. If you wanted your lights to be changing on its own, you can do that. So now it's going back to 0 again. It's dimming down slowly, as you can see. Now it's totally off, and then that's gonna turn it on automatically by itself by dimming up again, depending on your rate of change. So as you can see, it's turning on again by itself. Okay, let's make it faster. So this rate of change is faster. The more you go to the left, the rate of change is faster on the dimming. If you go right, it's slower. So let's see that. So it's high, and then changing the low. As you can see, it's off, and it turns on again quickly because the rate of change is faster, and then turns off again. That's one of its features. Thank you very much for listening. Let's talk about the power monitor of this app. So let's open the app, and currently we are at the TV area, and this is our light. So for the TV area, we have 340 milliamps. Brightness is 100%. But since this is an LED light, so it only consumes in a milliamp range about less than 5 milliamps. So let's say we'll turn it off. So now it's off. Let's go back to our app. And this is for the TV area. So we have to refresh it. So it's only the TV area at the brightness of off was at 341 milliamps. With regards to the safety feature here, so if it's excellent, means that the power monitor is reading okay. If it sees around close to 800 milliamps, what happens is the safety goes to faulted. It means that the StarApple device had shut down and it needs to be looked at. Now that's it for the power monitor and safety. Next is we're gonna talk about the timer on and timer off. So this app, you'll be able to turn on and turn off device on a schedule. So let's go. As you can see, we are here at the TV area. And we have our light on 35%. Gonna put it to about 100%. Then we're gonna turn it off in a minute or two. So by default, the turn on schedule is 00. It means it doesn't have any schedule. And the light turn off schedule is 00. So want to turn it off, just press turn off schedule and then choose what time you want it to turn it off. So right now it's 9:10 p.m. so let's put it to 9:11, 9:12 or 9:12 p.m. Confirm and then just hit submit. Schedule is updated for the turn off. See, this one turn off. You can also see the schedule time at the home screen. You see TV area. There's no time on, but there is time off. 21:12. Right now it's 9:11. 21:12 hour. That's 9:12. Time is still 9:11. Should turn off by now. Scheduling time has been tested many times, and it's been tested for about 6 months now, and it works really great without any deviation in the time schedule. So now it's turning off at 9:12. You see, it's 9:12 right now, and then the off time is at 21:12 hour, which is 9:12, which is correct. Now let's turn it on. So let's go to TV area and press this icon, the schedule icon, top right. Let's go ahead and change the turn on light to about 2 minutes from now. Say 9:50 p.m. and then just hit confirm. So you have 21:50, 9:50 p.m. and hit submit. Say schedule is updated, press OK. And right now we are TV area light is off. And this one should turn on at 9:50. Okay, now it's turning on at exactly 9:50 p.m. which is now 9:51. Let's talk about the device itself. So here we are looking at the device, which is called StarApple, and this is controlled by the app via this antenna right here. This is the microprocessor itself, which has its own program, and this is the printed circuit board and the power supply. This is a top light switch. So you can see this is the capacitive sensor. So you can turn on, turn off the light manually as well. We'll show you here in a bit on how this top light works seamlessly with the app. So that's the device. Then let's go ahead and install this one, and we'll show you how it is being installed in a very small space. As you can see, this is only about 2 inches, and it will go into any small electrical box. This is the device that's installed in an electrical box. As you can see, it's a small electrical box, and it can fit in there without any issue. Let's talk about the device this time. So as you can see, the unit is, or the device is inside, and it's controlling the light. So if you press this one, just stop, and then it will turn on. And then you can actually see the status of the TV area. You just refresh it, and the TV area has a brightness of 99%. Again, let's change the dimming light. If you press on it, and it started going down, and then you can actually press it again. You press it again, turn it on, and then let's press it again to dim it. So as you can see, this is dimmed light, and then this is the TV area. And then if we're going to refresh it, you see we have only 38% on the TV area. That's it. So you can control the light via the app, and also via this tap switch. This is a light tap. There's only a capacitive sensor in here. We just put the star in here to make it more luminous, so you can see it in the dark. But as you can see, there's no more switch anymore. Thanks for watching.